Most people throw away used tea bags and banana peels, but if you bury them in soil, what happens will truly surprise you. Tea bags are full of nitrogen, tannins, and organic matter. When they break down in soil, they enrich roots and improve plant health. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, two nutrients plants need for stronger roots, more flowers, and better fruiting. Take a used tea bag and a small piece of banana peel. Bury both 2 to 3 inches deep near the roots. You can also tear open the tea bag and mix the tea leaves with soil for faster results. Together they add nutrients naturally, keep soil moist and soft, attract earthworms, boost root strength, flowers, and fruit growth. One tea bag with a small peel is enough for a pot. For bigger plants, 2 to 3 sets work best. But don't overdo it. So next time after tea and snacks, don't throw the bag or the peel. Bury them in your soil and watch the magic happen.